Hello everyone, welcome to online class of Modi Public School. Today we are going to discuss part 3 of chapter number 7 decimals, and the topic for today's class is addition and subtraction of decimals. Dear students, you already know how to add or subtract counting numbers. Here you will be learning how to add or subtract decimals. Let us discuss page number 68 of your maths book. Question number 1 is add the following decimals. In this question, the decimal numbers which we have to add are already given in arranged form. Okay, we need not to arrange them here. Okay, so let us now add. हमें यहाँ पे directly add करना है. See this example. This is question number 1, B part. A part is already done in your book. Okay. Now, here 4 plus 5. We will simply add 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 9 is 18. So here we'll write 8 and 1 will be carry forward. That's how we add. हम बिल्कुल जैसा काउंटिंग नंबर्स में अभी तक ऐड करते आ रहे हैं बिल्कुल उसी तरह से हमें यहाँ पर ऐड करना है. ओके, नाउ 3 plus 1. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 9. 4 plus 9 is 13. Now 13 plus 3. 13 plus 3 is 16. So here we'll write 6 and 1 will be carry forward. As you know that there is decimal point here. So this decimal point we will copy here also in our answer. Okay. Now 2 plus 1. 2 plus 1 is 3. 3 plus 2 is 5. 3 plus 2 is 5. 5 plus 1 is 6. Now 1, there is no digit written over here, so 1 we will copy as it is. So our answer is 166.8. Let us now see F part of it. Okay, here the numbers are 24.442, 6.105, 10.200. Okay, let us add now. Again we will start from this place. Okay, this is 5 plus 2. 5 plus 2 is 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. We'll write here. Okay. Now 4 plus 0 is 4. Again 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now here we have decimal point. So we will also insert a decimal point here. Now 4 plus 6 is 10. 10 plus 0 is 10 again. So here 0 will write and 1 will be carry forward. 2 plus 1, 3. There is no digit written over here. 3 plus 1 is 4. So here we'll write 4. So our answer is 40.747. Okay. So in these two parts of question number 1, we have only added the decimal numbers. Now let us discuss question number 2. Question number 2 is write the following in columns and add them. Okay, so far when we were discussing question number 1, the numbers were already given us. Okay, they were already arranged. But now in question number 2, we have to arrange the numbers in columns and then we have to add. Okay, now before adding them or before arranging them into columns, let us first recall one thing which we had discussed in our previous class. If you remember, I had discussed about like and unlike decimals. Okay, here you can see the this decimal number is having 2 decimal places here. This decimal number is having 3 decimal places here, and this decimal number is having only 1 decimal place. So these are unlike decimals. Let us first convert them into like decimals. So how? Because it is having maximum number of places 3. So we will also convert them into 3 decimal places. So we will add 0. Now it is having 3 places, 3 places and 3 places. Okay. Okay. Now we will arrange them. Here I will first write 1.420. अब आपको ध्यान क्या रखना है? What you have to keep in your mind, you will start arranging from this. 3, 2, 1.3. Done. Now we will write the next one. 0, then 0, 2.5. So we have arranged all the numbers. Okay. By converting them into like decimals, it will become more easier for you. अगर आप directly arrange करेंगे, then you may commit mistake. हमें ये ध्यान रखना है, decimal point के नीचे decimal point ही arrange होना चाहिए. Okay. Now let us add. 0 plus 3 is 3. 3 plus 0 is 3. 2 plus 2 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. Now we'll write this decimal point. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 5 is 9. So our answer is 9.743. Let us now discuss B part. Again, you can see these are unlike decimals because it is having 2 decimal places. It is having 3 decimal places and it is having 2 decimal places again. So let us first convert them into like decimals. So we will add a 0 over here. 3.400. Now we will start arranging. We will first write this number 7.030. Now start arranging the next number from this place. 7, 1, 9.2. Then 0, 0, 4.3. Put addition sign over here. Okay. Now 7 plus 0 7. 7 plus 0 is 7. 3 plus 1 is 4. 4 plus 0 is 4. Now 0 plus 9 is 9. 9 plus 4 is 13. 1 will be carry forward, then decimal point. 7 plus 1 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. 10 plus 3 is 13. So our answer is 13.347. Let's now discuss question number 3. Question number 3 is subtract the following decimals. Now we have to subtract these decimals. Okay. On question number 3, already decimal numbers are given in arranged form. They are already arranged in columns. Okay. So we have to perform the subtraction operation. Okay. Now see here. We cannot subtract 9 from 2. So what we have to do is we have to take borrow. Okay. So when we will take a borrow, it will become 1 and here we will be having 12. Okay. Will be 12. Now 12 minus 9 is 3. Fine. Then we will subtract 8 from 1. We all know we cannot subtract 8 from 1. Again we will take a borrow. Now 11 minus 8. 11 minus 8 is again 3. Okay, 11 minus 8 is 3. Now we have to subtract 9 from 3. Again we cannot perform this subtraction, so we will take a borrow. Subtraction is same. Okay. Now here we have 13. 13 minus 9. 13 minus 9 is 4. So here we will write 4. Then there is a decimal point. So here also we will insert a decimal point. Now 4 minus 8. So we cannot subtract. Again we will take a borrow. 14 minus 8 is 6. Now 8 minus 1. 8 minus 1 is 7. So our answer is 76.433. Let us now solve E part of it. Okay. Now 9 minus 9 is 0. Again 9 minus 9 is 0. 8 minus 5 is 3. Then there is a decimal point. So we will insert a decimal point. 9 minus 0 is 9. 8 minus 2 is 6. And 7 minus 4 is 3. So our answer is 369.300. Or we can simply say 369.3. Now this is question number 4. Question number 4 is subtract the following. Like in third question, the numbers were already given in arranged form. They were arranged in columns. But now here in question number 4, questions the numbers, the decimal numbers which are given to us are not arranged in columns. So we will first arrange them. But before arranging these numbers in columns, let us first convert them into like decimals. So here it will be 97.437 from 189.200. Okay, so we have to subtract this number from this. So we will first arrange this number 189.200, then 97.437 minus. Okay, now we cannot subtract 7 from 0, so we will take borrow, but this number is also 0. So here, from here we will take first borrow, then it will become 10, and then it will give borrow, and here it will remain 9, and here we will be having 10. Now 10 minus 7 is 3, 9 minus 3 is 6. Now 4, we cannot subtract 4 from 1, so we will take borrow, 8. 11. Now 11 minus 4, so here it will be 7. Okay, then decimal point, 8 minus 7, 1. Okay, then 9 cannot be subtracted from 8, so here we will take borrow, 18. 18 minus 9 is 9. Okay, and there is 0, so our answer is 91.763. This is D part of it. 10.05 from 28.2. Again, these are unlike decimals, so we will first convert them into like decimals. So here it is 10.05 from 28.20. We will add a 0 over here. Okay, now let us arrange 28.20. Then this number will be arranged 5, 0.01. Okay, in C part I have arranged directly because I have done enough practice, but आपके पास practice नहीं है तो आप इसी तरह से arrange करिएगा. Okay, now 5 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we will take a borrow over here. 10 minus 5 is 5, 1 minus 0 is 1, then decimal point, 8 minus 0 is 8, 2 minus 1 is 1. So our answer is 18.15. Let us now discuss question number 6. Question number 6 is find the sum of 10.2, 55.055 and 25.02. Okay, sum means we have to add over here. Okay. Let us first convert these decimals into like decimals. So here we can see the maximum number of decimal places is 3. So we will first convert 10.200, 55.055 and 25.020. 020. We have added zeros. Okay, now let us start arranging the numbers. Okay, 10.200. I have written this number first. Now start arranging this number. 5, 5, 0.55. Okay, this is arranged. Now we will arrange this number. Okay, 0, 2, 0.52. So let us add now. 5 plus 0 is 5. Now 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 2 is 7. 2 plus 0 is 2. Again 2 and 0 will be added, so 2 will remain as it is. Then decimal point, 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 5 is 10. 1 carry forward. Now 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 2 is 9. So our answer is 90.275. Let us now discuss question number 8. Find the difference between 100.58 and 98.4. Okay. Now difference means subtraction. हमें इन दोनों के बीच का difference find करना है, तो हमें greater में से smaller minus करना होगा. 100.58 is greater than 98.4. We will first convert them into like decimals. So 100.58 and 98.40. Let us now subtract 100.58. We will first write it, then 4.89. Okay, let us subtract now. 8 minus 0 is 8. 5 minus 4 is 1. Decimal point. 8 cannot be subtracted from 0, so we'll take borrow over here. 10 minus 8 is 2. 9 minus 9 is 0, and there is 0. So our answer is 2.18. Okay, that's all for today's class. Thank you so much for watching.